Representative from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, our school district Super Mario. The rest of the teachers would like to extend their heartfelt words of thanks sa Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas sa ilang paghatag ng mga donations that will benefit to our learners and teachers din sa Loo North Central.
Ngayon sa Loo North District, kami magpasalamaton sa Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, pinagi ni Pare Ernest Suarez, yung mga donation, printer, and school supplies, kini makatabang unako to facilitate learning, teaching learning in the learning halls from Loo North Central Elementary School. Maraming salamat, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas.